Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make simple free relaxation music videos. Before begin, I would like to share with you one of the top ranking YouTube relaxation music channel that inspire me very much. This is the relaxation music channel that hits 5.45 million subscribers and 1.6 billion views. So, this is very impressive, right? Are you getting excited? Want to know how to do this? Stay tuned. I will show you a simple step to make this kind of relaxation music video. First of all, we will need to source some free music, videos and of course the video editor software to compose and create your own simple music video. For free music, you can go to the bensound.com website. The licensing is free but with attribution. You might need to give credit to bensound.com if you use this in your multimedia project. Click back to the royalty-free music, you can select and click the play button to listen to the music. After choose your favorite music, click the download button and save the music. Background videos, you can go to the pixabay.com website for downloading. Simply key in the wording that you want to search for video selection. Click on the video clip you like to preview or click on the free download icon to save the videos. There are few videos size selection you can choose to download. For open source and free video editor software, you can go to Google and key in Shorcut and then click enter. Don't worry, I will write the download link below. After navigate to Shorcut website, click download on top of the page. Select Site to GitHub and choose 64-bit window portable zip. If your PC hardware specification is low, then you can choose the 32-bit window portable zip. After downloaded, unzip the file and click on the Shortcut icon to open the app. After open the Shortcut app, you will see a new project tab. Here you can choose the projects folder that you want your project file to be saved. You will need to type in a project name for this music video. I rename it as Simple Music Video. Video mode I use HD 1080 pixel and 30 frame per seconds. Then click Start. First, click on the open file to input your videos or music to the playlist. Click on the playlist, drag the video to the timeline below for editing. At the Timeline tab, click on the display menu to add additional audio track. Drag your music to the audio track timeline. Click on the toggle snapping, drag another video to the video track. After complete, drag all the video into the video track timeline, click on the specific video and click Filters to add special effect. Here I choose the Fade in video effect. Click on the end of video track timeline, click the Split at Playhead button to cut the video, click the Trim End Video and delete. Click the Play button, to view the final results. Finally, click Save or export the music video. You can click Job to view the export file status. After downloaded, now you can share your music video to YouTube, Facebook or Instagram. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please remember to click the like button and don't forget subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos and hope to see you soon.